Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to log into your Bright HR account for Canada. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will want to open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in brighthr.com/ca. Then press enter and you will be taken into the website for Bright HR Canada. Click on No Stay on CA and now you will find the login button at the top right corner. Click on this and you will be taken into the login portal. Now you can also sign in using your Apple, your Facebook, your Google or Microsoft account, or you can enter your email address within the email address box that you used while signing up for your account. Then enter your account password within the password box and click on the login button and you will be logged into your Bright HR Canada account. In case you have forgotten your password, you can click on Forgot Your Password in order to reset your credentials. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log into your Bright HR Canada account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.